Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the hardware requirement checks for the Mixed Reality Portal app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in developers. Best match should come back with developer settings. Go ahead and open that up. And at this point underneath developer mode, install apps from any source including the loose files. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position. And you're going to select yes. Now, one thing I would suggest is once you've installed the application, I would suggest coming back in here and then toggling it off. So once you've installed it, restart your computer again, this mixed reality portal application. Come back in here and then re-enable this, and then come back in here and turn it off unless it was already on, in which case you shouldn't have been experiencing this error message to begin with. But pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.